Beautiful Juliana who run from a different community and just called me last minute and she moved come over here. So she never called me for help her with her box them and the bed and all of them something there. But
So
she called. You never bed. So how you move? So how you move with it? Oh you and the puppy move. She and the puppy alone move. But we carry a package for her. Just so she can get all the things that she, really desire. But you can tell us about our service though.
Service is great. Here we go.
Of course. Then if me run come right as so quick, just like that.
I want some discount.
What kind of discount you want? Again? You always enjoy the discount, so I don't understand. You're a platinum member. So which other discount? You can't see when you... Alright, so I'm going to make sure you get some discount. But here what you have to do. You make sure you shop more. And then you have to invite other people to the thing. You don't want other people to benefit as well.
Okay. So me, alright.
She just said okay. And when I talk puppy. Puppy, the puppy name. Come here. Puppy shy. Come here. I call this one thumper with a piece of tail. Yes, so the next delivery is gonna be to puppy. To thumper. Video you told them, and when I video I told them. Next delivery is gonna be to thumper in Gregory Park. This is how we do it on delivery trail with Juliana. Wait, that him.
One man.
Which man this? A smile up over there. Watch how him say shh. Wagwan party. I say wagwan, me no know. Alright, anyway, we're off. This is how we do it on delivery trail. Have a good one.